Hi, I'm Mark McKillier with liveanabolic.com, and I put together another fantastic workout for you guys that you can do at home with absolutely no equipment. It consists of 4 different exercises with only 10 seconds of rest in between each exercise, and then at the end of that cycle, you can give yourself a break, catch your breath, rest for a minute or two, and then you got to do the cycle all over again for a total of 2 cycles. So, first exercise is jumping jacks, followed by burpees. Then we're going to do some skaters, and we're going to finish up with bicycle cross crunches. So I'm going to show you how to do all 4 different exercises just so you can get the form correct and get the most out of your workout. And then I'm going to do the entire workout for you so you can follow along. Guys, jumping jacks, don't really need to show you how to do jumping jacks. 2, 3, 4. Okay, everybody knows how to do a jumping jack. Now, I got to show you how to do burpees, guys. A lot of people do this exercise incorrectly, and there's actually more than one way to do it. I'm going to show you how to do it the tough way, where we actually incorporate a push-up into the burpee. Then I'm going to show you how to do some skaters and some bicycle cross crunches. Okay, guys, the dreaded burpee. Not all that complicated to do, but they are a fantastic killer exercise. So here we go. All you got to do is you just kind of crouch down, hands on the ground, bounce back with your feet. Now you're in a push-up position. Push up. Now bounce your feet back up underneath you. Stand up and hop. Okay? So let me just do it a little quicker for you. So you down, back, push up, up, up. Push up. That is a burpee. Okay guys, skaters. Now, a lot of you guys have probably never seen this done, so it may feel a little awkward at first, but once you kind of get a little practice, get your mind-muscle connection going, get your balance, it'll be no big deal. So, basically, for beginners, you can stand more straight up, and you can just step from side to side, okay? And this is what we're going to be doing, skaters, okay? Now, I want you to get as deep as you can, okay? Keep those knees bent. So the deeper you go, the more you're going to get out of this exercise. Now for you guys that are in better shape and have better balance, you can hop from side to side. Okay? And just kind of hold it for a 1 count before you go back to the other side. Hop, hold, hold. Those are skaters. And then finally, guys, we're going to get out on the ground. I'm going to show you how to do some bicycle cross crunches. All right, follow along as I do 1 complete cycle of this killer at-home workout. Jumping jacks first. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whew. All right, give yourself about 10 seconds. Then guess what? We gotta hit those burpees. We gotta do 10 of them. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I really need my 10 seconds rest now. Whew. Guess what? We got some skaters coming up. 10 each side, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! 10 seconds rest. We're gonna finish up down on the ground with some bicycle cross crunches. I don't know much. Go on. Guess who wants to come join in? Go on. Go on, I know. Woo, here we go. 1, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. I lost track of count there. Woo! All right, guys. Trust me, killer workout. So for you guys that are in really good shape, do a little fitness level adjustment. Instead of doing 10 of everything, try doing 15. And on jumping jacks, instead of doing 25, do 35. And then to make it even harder, instead of doing 2 cycles, bump it up to 3, maybe even 4 cycles. So guys, I love putting these workouts together for you. And be sure and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of these great exercise programs that we put out, nutritional information, how to increase your testosterone. I'm always coming up with all kinds of new information. And be sure and hit that little thumbs up button. I want you guys to like this and then share it with some of your buddies that you think can benefit from this. And then finally, post some comments right below here, guys. I want to know what you're thinking. Remember, always stick with it and never give up on yourself.